Your Majesty?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Your Majesty was my father. I'm George. Yeah! You got this! Looking good, Fran. Tom, Daquan, Tamara, Prudence, Pete, Peter, Petey. No, there it is. Come on. Come on. Hello? There we go. Everyone is killing it today.